Alright everyone, so I've gone ahead and bought a Bambu Lab A1 Mini. We're going to unbox it, see how shit it is, and then eventually I'm going to tear this thing down and put a clipper on it. Let's get started, shall we? So I'm going to be using a Bambu Lab P1S motherboard to unbox this. This thing works perfect, finally, I found a use for it. This thing's brilliant. Perfection. Look at that. Wow. Why do they do it like this? In there is supposedly a A1 Mini. Let's just show you the back too. Cardboard. This thing's tiny. That's accessories, I guess. Cool. More cardboard. I have not read the instructions on this. I don't want to read the instructions, to be honest. If I mess something up, that's on me. I will say it's well packaged, don't get me wrong. Definitely one thing they didn't lack in was packaging. So that's their poop shit thingamajig, so cool. What did I get? I got a piano music box. Disclaimer and safety guidelines, I don't need that shit. You already know what your boy's gonna do to this thing, so I'm gonna grab the rest of that shit. So you cannot remove the power cable. What else do I have? I got a PTFE tube and some Polyshite PLA basic. I will not be using that. PTFE tube, I will be using though. Do not grab or press on the x-axis. Oh my god, they gave me a bunch of stickers. I'm putting this on everything. Oh, this is amazing. Look how many stickers they gave me. Yo! Free premium. Oh, shut up. I'm not using Maplewell. Quick start guide. Sample filament. I don't want that shit. So I need to open the accessories box. Let's follow this like every other Bambu on a board. Yeah. Oh, they gave me lube too. I'm gonna lube it up. Grease. No care. Pin tool that I'll never use. Oh, do I get to build another scraper? Let's go! I get to add on to the scraper. You know, I could have used this to unbox it, but I didn't. I don't know what any of this does. That's a thing, I guess. Cool. Spool holder base. Grease and oil. Oh man, so I do have to open this. Remove the 4 screws to unlock the Z-axis limiter. Oh, this power cable already is pissing me off. So I need to cut this, I guess. Cool. Oh. Man, they're on there tight. Oh my god, they do not need to be that tight. Oh. Alright, that's loose. Can I move the... Yep. Alright, cool. Plastic waste. Lock heat bed. Tighten the 3 screws circled in green to lock the heat. What the fuck? I have to lock the heat bed? Oh. There we go. Ooh, I don't like that. Don't they say that you can set this up in like 15 minutes? This is annoying. They're so bad. Now I have to bend down and find the screwdriver. Great. Yep, actively stripping it. Cool. Thank you, Bambu Lab. Okay, heat bed is secured and locked down. I'm gonna swap this around. Slide in the purge wiper unit. Okay, I'm gonna move this. Can I move this up? Oh, that Z-axis is very hard to move. Holy shit, I'm like shaking. Yeah. Oh man, that's annoying. It's not flimsy in the slightest. Spool holder. It's, oh, dude, I'm like flipping this thing around every 5 seconds. Oh my god, like they fully cross-threaded that thing. Look, I have to like, see how much force I have to put on this thing? I feel like I'm cross-threading this, but I'm not, right? Oh dude, that hurts, holy crap. I guess it's tight enough. Oh. Okay, I approve of that. That's great, how like friction fit it is. Connect the tool head filament inlet, either 1 or 4, and the filament guide with the 520mm. So basically, you could just say install the PTFE tube. Do we not get like a locking thing for this at all? No? I'm just gonna push it into 1. Okay. Yep. Powering on. Yes, we did it. Now I need to plug this thing in. Yes, I'm British, so I have a British plug. Type G, the best of the best. So it's powered on apparently. Oh, there is a power switch. Unleash your creativity. Oh, whoa, I don't need that. Oh, hell no. Oh god, this screen is terrible. No, it's like the freaking... I don't speak German. Oh, I actually have to connect to Wi-Fi. 2.4 gigahertz? Really? That is horrific. Oh, no way. Right, you guys have to see this. Holy god. I'm not gonna put my password in, but look at how tiny this keyboard is. This thing's terrible. This thing's terrible. Connected. Woo. Oh, no way I have to... I mean, it says I can skip, but I need the full experience, no? I have to actually use my phone. I won't be a second, guys. I am so sorry. Okay, so it's calling for all of this. So, we're gonna do all of this. I hate this. You cannot spy on me. Okay, so it doesn't do any sort of bed wiggles when homing, so it's not using piezo. Because I'm a monster, I don't like opening filament at the top. Alright, let's get some new filament. This is the most scuffed review video ever. Trust me, this is how I do things. Oh, it smells. Why is it like it's purging nothing? Oh, it has to shit out the side, doesn't it? That shit is so annoying, I'm turning that off immediately. Listen to the extruder, it's skipping. Now I have no idea if this is like speedboat rules or whatever. Probably not, but definitely a Benchy with some skip extruder steps, but cool. Hey, good little printer, fuck you.